Today we have another hardcore new product delivery video. You can see these two calibration platforms behind me, one large and one small. This is the calibration platform for inclinometers that we are about to deliver to our customer. In previous videos, we introduced several different types of calibration platforms for inclinometers. It also introduced their functional features, design philosophy, and processing techniques. But in this video, I want to say to new friends who are just entering our industry, there are also engineers who are determined to deeply cultivate the field of MWD measurement. Let's talk about this calibration platform for inclinometers, its core value, and its true purpose. The first attribute of the calibration platform for inclinometers is its metrological traceability. I think it's metrological properties. Why do you say that? Actually, the calibration platform for inclinometers, it is first and foremost a metrological tool. In the field of oil drilling, we all know that we must accurately grasp parameters such as azimuth, inclination, and two-phase downhole. Inclinometers under MWD, it is the eye of drilling engineering. Its accuracy and precision directly determine the drilling rate and target hit rate of the drilling project. And metrology is the eye of engineering quality. We can often see that whether it's building roads, constructing bridges, or using a total station by the roadside, all equipment must be metrologically calibrated. Only by strictly using metrologically calibrated engineering equipment can the reliability and quality of the final project be ensured. Now, in the oil drilling industry, there is still a lack of authoritative, unified, and strictly enforced professional metrology and testing institutions. This leads to various inclinometer manufacturers. We can only rely on the calibration platform for inclinometers in our own hands. As a core, it establishes the relevant metrological standards for each inclinometer. This ensures that the inclinometer calibration platform they produce meets our industry standards. So here comes the new question. Who guarantees the accuracy of the calibration platform for inclinometers? It is guaranteed by a third-party national metrology and testing institution. Each of our calibration platforms for inclinometers all are certified by the Aero 304 Institute, a national first-level metrology organization. The precision inspection report he issues. So the accuracy of the calibration platform for inclinometers, it is traceable. And only after passing strict metrology institutions, this precision test report is for the calibration platform for inclinometers. Only then can it be used as a standard measuring instrument. The second feature of the calibration platform for inclinometers is, in fact, it is its non-magnetic property. This is also a core requirement for the calibration platform for inclinometers. This is also what distinguishes it from a general purpose turntable. The biggest difference of this calibration platform is, to be honest, we are building this calibration platform for inclinometers. In the general field of turntable inclinometers, compared to these traditional manufacturers, whether from the manufacturing line, they are not comparable in terms of production scale either. However, the non-magnetic property of the calibration platform for inclinometers, that's precisely where our advantage comes into play. Why do you say that? We are both the manufacturer of the calibration platform for inclinometers. It is also its user. We produce the magnetic head door sensor ourselves. We also produce inclinometer probes. There are also other MWD tools. We have a deep understanding of magnetic signals, this sensitivity to the surrounding environment and its limitations. So this calibration platform for inclinometers that we produce, its non-magnetic performance is excellent. That is what we often refer to as extremely low magnetic permeability. Speaking of magnetic permeability, now let's talk about the manufacturing process of our calibration platform. In fact, smart engineers have already figured it out. Each of our calibration platforms for inclinometers, in fact, all of them are manufactured using machining methods. It does not use the lower cost casting method. because we are worried. The casting method may introduce iron sand, impurities like this magnetic contamination. All of these are made from standard non-magnetic plates. The supplier of this non-magnetic plate it can issue a composition analysis certificate report for us. Therefore, using standard non-magnetic plate materials to ensure that this calibration platform for inclinometers, overall, this non-magnetic property. In addition, we are targeting this calibration platform for inclinometers. We also introduce our independently developed and designed non-magnetic slip ring and a non-magnetic absolute encoder. This is the result of our many years of technical accumulation. The third thing to mention about the calibration platform for inclinometers, it complies with the product standard it follows. Our manufacturing follows the petroleum industry standards, SYT 6587 tunable and tunable. It is called the calibration method for electronic inclinometers. It fully covers inclination, azimuth, and tool face. The precise calibration of these three parameters. There is also inspection. Ensure that every calibration data output is accurate. Both are authoritative and reliable. Finally, let me introduce our work over the years. Here are some case studies of the delivered calibration platforms for inclinometers. We serve numerous enterprises, institutions, and universities in the oil industry. We have customized multiple models of calibration platforms for inclinometers. For example, the Technical Supervision Center of Daqing Management Technology Bureau, China Petroleum Engineering Institute, including Chongqing Drilling Institute, Institute of Geology and Geophysics, Chinese Academy of Sciences, Beijing University of Petroleum, Xi'an University, and Beiyang University, Beijing Institute of Technology, University of Science and Technology of China, and so on. We can not only provide an excellent calibration platform for inclinometers, it can also help you build a non-magnetic laboratory, provide sufficient technical support. For example, we can provide, based on the laboratory environment, HEM Helmholtz coil system, including the ones we newly launched in the past 2 years. Electric non-magnetic turntable series products. All of these can be used for your non-magnetic laboratory. And the related non-magnetic directional tool, inclinometer probe, DMWD2 provides excellent non-magnetic performance. It also offers higher precision and accuracy. I hope interested friends can contact me. Thank you, everyone.